Hello there, let me show you something cool. So some few days ago I managed to create this program. It's a Python program. I was able to compile some few games. I wrote them separately and then I merged them into one set of code, and then I can run them together, and I want to show you how it works. And then probably in a couple of videos I'm going to show you how I did it. I'm going to take you step through it one by one, and then I'm going to show you what you need to learn in order to create a game like this one. So we have a set of games here. I've given you the choices. We have the alphabet, pyramid, a guessing game, and then no game. No game doesn't give you anything at all. So we'll start with the first one. This one is the alphabet. It's a silly game actually for kids, but if you are a beginner in Python, then you need to start somewhere. So this one asks you how many letters are there. I should have printed the letters. How many letters are there in the alphabet? Of course, we know that there are 26, but just for the sake of checking how this code works, maybe we start with 25. So if you print any number below 25, it's going to give you too low. I'm sure if you even print a negative number, it will give you too low, and then maybe a number above 26, it will give you too high. But when you print out 26, now this one is going to give you got it, and then it's prompting you to press enter to exit. So you can play again if you want. You can click yes. And how many letters are there? Still the same thing, 26. Press enter to exit, so no. Now it takes you back to the first prompt, the games that you want to play. So we'll select the second one, a pyramid. So this one, a pyramid, is actually like a graphing. It's a series of loops here. So you're required to enter the width. This is like the base of the pyramid. So we'll go with 50. It draws for your pyramid with a width of 50 from here to here. 50 is a good number actually. If you print a pyramid more than 50, the width, it will print something that's awkwardly shaped because of the length of this console window. It's not enough to accumulate a lot of because as you can see, 50 runs from here up to here, then basically 100 won't even fit here. So 50 is a good number if you wanted to draw it completely. So we can print exit. If you want to play again, yeah, you can try again and try maybe with a little number like, let's say 10. It prints for you, it draws for your small pyramid, just a series of loops here. So you can press enter to exit. Do you want to play again? No. It takes us back to the original prompt. Let's go to a guessing game. A guessing game is the coolest of this. This one requires a lot of modules. You need to import some modules for it to function well, because it's guessing a number such that the person who is coding doesn't know the number itself. And also for you to have 7 guesses such that when you reach the limit, the game stops even if you have not gotten the number. So here you are required to guess a number between 1 and 100. The basic thing that you're supposed to do is just start by dividing it into a half. So 50 is too low, so it's between 50 and 100, maybe 75. Too high, so we can go to 60 and see. 60 gives us too low. This is our guess number 4. So if it's not 60, between 60 and 75, we can go to 70 and see. 70 is too high. Guess number 5, so it's between 60 and 70. Let's try 65. You got it, it was 65. Press enter to exit. You can play again, but since this one is so long and I want to play again, at least by now you get the idea of what this is. So do you want to play? Which game do you want to play? We have finished the 3 games, the major components of this, and so we will go to 4, no game. So here it tells you maybe next time, adios, it has finished all the game. And so you're required to press enter to exit. So the purpose of these games, I learned them just a few days ago, how I can merge them together. And also it requires you to implement your syntax of Python, how you're going to implement it, what you've learned so far. And it's just simple. If you learn it, then you'll be able to reproduce this kind of game. So in the next series of videos, I'm going to show you how I did this, what you're required. I leave for you before at the end of the video. I'll leave for you what you are required to learn for you to reproduce this kind of game, and then in the next videos I'm going to take you step by step with all the modules, the functions, and the loops, and also some variables here and there. But that's it for this video, so stay tuned for the next one.